Let's raise our glass to choosing wisely.
To choosing wisely.
By the way, where's Mr. Mullins?
Pops is often on assignments in the country helping with the relief care program. So, I mean, he sends his love and everything.
Okay. I'll let the break for us.
So Bubbles, that means say you are the boss until you come back.
Hey, me. One Miss Myrna. Boss lady.
So, it's a pleasure to meet Black Dranko baby mother.
Pearl, you know sir Aquida Ack, right?
Oh, just joking.
I wonder.
Yeah.
But by the way, how did y'all get him to play that role? Like, how him do it? How him
You are
perform?
man. Me give him some fun. You make him know say you have to lift up your chest and coast up your voice and you have to walk a certain type of way and body more. Even though I'm tall, you have to look up in the face and say, yo, lift up, you know.
Wow, Mr. Pearl, you want to see my skeletal walk? Back up so.
Man, your toes.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, Lord.
Hey, Kawago.
There, you know, bossy. Bossy, have some people that wait for you, and you have guests, you know.
And the rest of the time, yeah? Yeah, man. You know, the rest.
As a matter of fact, pull up a chair and get something for drink. And we have a celebration.
True, man. Nah, it's a, you know, Nika, it's a melon beer there for me now. For lighting idea, you know, 'cause you don't know, say. Thoroughly, you know?
Numbers, relax now. Why you still look so nervous?
Well, Miss Brissett, I don't know if nobody ever tell you still, you know, 'cause you really have an intimidating face, you know. So I don't even know if you're serious or a joke you make. The only reason why I not take it too serious is because I know the Jenna there. So if I did you and little miss now, that really a worry. Respect. No, I'm not worried about it. I read that. A celebration. But we celebrate then, no? So what we are celebrate? Ah man, Nika one away, man. We can talk, man, talk freely.
She a one of you, but she not one of we. You should have known better than that. So we're not gonna have certain conversation in front of certain people.
Nika, beg you a minute here, mommy.
All right, now, bossy.
I just want to say to you, say, thanks for the help you give up on the two operation them.
You help diffuse two serious situation. The information you give up on track, it will use go feed. So that no. Am I right? Yeah, man. I'm good. No casualties, no injuries from film operation. Good for know, but what happened with him right now?
We fix that as we speak. We send him our reform center. Now send him at the big house.
I will go on with Kingman. How that go?
Kingman in a detention for 48 hours.
Now I tell no lie. Feel like a snitch. Snitch? There you go. Why think go away just say?
More you play by the whole scenario in your mind and tell me if you still think say you're a snitch.
Overzone I say, but want to remember say, as somebody from phone team provoke film situation. Come on, a big man. You really think that justified?
You realize you're kidnapping we are talking about, right? Forget about the two agents. This is kidnapping somebody. You know how much time you can serve in a prison for that?
And we think I'm gonna learn something from the last time. But you still do the same thing. So what happened with him now?
The deal is, him have to stay off of the grid for a little bit. You have to take care of the business. Because I don't think Rankin please or Ago please about the situation. Remember, Rankin is a disciplinary man, but it's a certain way of deal with it.
Kingman like him forget him about that. Try and far away. The last time we remember the rage when going on, and the same thing happened on King. How can a man have a daughter and a thing for kidnap a woman? That not look good none at all. And we can't make it slide.
And for add to that, his daughter is not just an ordinary woman. She's a high court judge. Now, how him would I feel a stand up in front of him daughter I get sentenced?